In this Pixlr Snippets tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the Swirl Left and Swirl Right tools within Pixlr X. The Swirl Left and Swirl Right tools can be located within the Liquify icon on your tool panel. Once the tool is selected, you are presented with three sliders. The size slider affects the size of the brush you'll be painting the effect with. The strength slider affects how far the pixels will be pushed when you use the brush. And the density slider affects how many of the pixels will be moved when you move the brush. In this example, we're going to use the tool to add some twist and flow to the model's hair in our image. Click and hold the mouse to begin swirling the pixels in the direction you have selected. Change direction as necessary. Now that you know how to use the Swirl Left and Swirl Right tool, have fun creating with Pixlr X.